Good morning, what is up? Welcome back to another video on catching moments. Now I'm telling you right now, do not skip, do not get out this video. It's gonna be an epic video. We just got down, we're at a spot, and I got cool things to show you guys, so it's gonna be wicked. Check this out. Beautiful. So there's a nice ledge around the corner there where I'm going to be flicking lures. Some big divers out here, big deep water, high chance of big fish, so stay tuned. I've also brought bait and we're going to give bait a go. You guys know I'm not really a bait guy, but we're going to get some baits out here, see if we can get some nice big reef fish. Nice seal right there. I did bring the drone. Man, that's cool. Eating all my fish. It's going to be an epic video. I've also got a hammock to show you guys that I'm testing out. My vibes are high, so I'm going to snack onto this. Nice little chocolate bar, get some energy in me. When you do these hikes, you plan to pack real light. The lighter the better, so you can't take anything you want. Have a nice muesli bars like these, nice chocolate bar, plenty of sugar, plenty of energy. Not good for you, but they're real light. You can keep a couple in there for emergencies. And then I've got just a bit of noodles for lunch, dinner and brekkie, and that's all I bring. And then, you know, the tackle gear and that. So I'm trying to pack light. If we catch a nice fish, I can eat that, because I will be hungry tonight. So man, I can't wait to get out on the fish. I'm gonna enjoy this, sit back, watch this view. Man, finally back again. Well, this is the first time me being at this spot, but I'm back again making another video, doing what I love. Oh, as you can tell, I'm stoked. Such cool scenery, man. Oh, we're running nice diver. We're mainly divers. We've got one jig as well we're going to try out for the first time, land-based jigging. That'll be fun. Hopefully some kingies or something come through. And then just a bait rod. Nice big chunk of squid on there. Got a nice ledge here, drops straight down, so easy to hook them up. And it's nice on the reef on the side as well, so we're going to be directly in the middle of both of that, and fingers crossed. So we'll try the diver, see what's out there. We've had the burley in while I've been rigging up. Let's give it a go. Alright, here we go, straight to the 20 gram jig. Nice little one. Hope I don't hook up something too big, snap the line, but I need something heavy to... These divers are going to be a bit of a struggle up on top of this cliff. So we'll let that sink. And then we'll get jigging away. Tide's still on the way up. It's going to be a big tide today. Swap over to the bait. See what this bait can do. A few little bites, which is good news. Something small there. I'm just worried that they're going to be like just the average reef fish, nothing really good for eating. So first fish of the trip just landed. Pretty sure they're called like I totally forgot what they're called. Like a wrasse or rock cod or whatever you call it, but I hope that's focusing. Tiny little fish. I knew they'll be over out here, these ones, but something bigger would be cool. So we'll get him back in the drink. Good fun though, that was a nice nice bit of weight to it, I guess. I thought it was a lot bigger than that, so they fight pretty hard. So at least that's a bit of the fun. Might even try the jig a bit later. I'm gonna try a bit bait, see if I can get something larger through here. See how we go. Oh yeah, I think I got something on here. That's a larger one there. So that's the biggest fish so far. Second fish of the trip. They're getting a little bit bigger. You see the colours on that. What a beautiful fish there. Pretty sure that's in the wrasse family, I reckon. I have to double check, but that's a nice fish. I don't know if we can eat him or not. He's got a nice parasite on him. It's weird. So yeah, I'll probably check the charts on that one. Because the number one rule, if you don't know what fish it is, don't keep it. Lucky I've got a chart, I can double check just the size and that, and we'll quickly get them back in the drink. I like to measure my fish, just a bit of research, so we'll quickly do that and get him back in. These are 26. Cool. Yeah, I'd assume that's what they are. Oh well, you don't know, don't touch. That's it. It's cool to just get the measurement of him. That's one of the biggest ones I've ever caught. But yeah. Oh, look at these birds, how cool. Shoo! Here after fish. See if we get something worth eating. Woo! Oh, that was lucky. Lucky I was paying attention, never turn you back on the ocean, that's for sure. Oh, we've got a big rain cloud coming up, and that is coming our way, and it's definitely dropping, so probably about a K away. Fish a little bit longer and then we might have to quickly set up. We've got a nice cave we can hide under if we need to, so it should be okay. And yeah, it's too slippery for my liking, so I'm going to step back a bit until that dries off. Oh, angelfish. You can eat these. Yeah, funny thing. Pretty sure I'll just be calling them angelfish all day today. They're pretty sure they're called sweep, not angelfish. I don't know why they just remind me of an angelfish. But yeah, it's definitely, I think, a sweep is what they're called. Finally a different species. Pretty sure angelfish. Nice little one. They do get pretty big, these things, and you can eat them. I have eaten them before. Nice tasting fish, not bad. So yeah, hope that's recording. Getting back in the drink, try again. Alrighty legends, now that, my friend, was a struggle as you've seen in that time lapse, but there she is, the night cat, absolute beauty. What a ripper rig, comfy in there. I just had to find some nice tie down points. I had to go up, lift it up higher, but finally got it done. So that there, my friends, is gonna be me for the night. Really comfy in there. Because it's brand new, there's a lot of stretching going on, so you got to stretch it out a bit. I should have had it to 2 trees beforehand, stretched it out, but it's all good. I've set it up early, so I'll get all my gear in there. The rain's gone, so the skies have opened up, man. The sun's about to come out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rig up again with the baits. I'm going to get it out there, rig up. I'm going to redo the burley as well. See if we can get a couple more fish, and then maybe it's lunchtime. So. But yeah, I'm absolutely stoked with this, trying it out. Got some nice anchor points up there as well, wedged in there. There we are, safe side. And if I do fall, it's only on the nice hard rock, but I'm not going to fall over, so over the edge. I've picked a nice spot. So we'll double check those anchor points before we go to bed, but I'm pretty stoked on that. Rocks have drying up now from the rain. Took off my shoes, so that's a good tip as well, guys. If you're on these cliffs and that, bring some socks and just use the socks. It's really good grip around here. You can always dry them up overnight. So, oh man, How cool is that? That's wicked, man. Stoked on that. It took so long to set up that my camera went flat, so I'll charge that battery while I sleep overnight. Other than that, let's rig up and get out there on the fish. Yew! Oh yeah, finally something. Oh, another one. That's all I'm gonna catch here, I'm afraid. This one's even following it. Whoa. It's an even bigger one. Update, we've just been rained out, so I was hiding in that hammock for about half an hour. The camera ended up dying when I was fishing down there. There was a few good pulls and bites, but I think it's just those same fish. So now I'm gonna eat some lunch, some warm noodles, get that in me, warm me up a bit. It's starting to get chilly now, and I've just rigged up the rod too, so we'll go back out there with a bit of bait, see if we can get some eatable fish that I know we can eat. The other ones I'm not too sure, so I'm just releasing them. No point doing research on them or anything. I'm just not common with those fish, so I'm not going to worry about it. But everything else has been nice, sweet. The hammock is starting to stretch out a bit more now, so every time I come out of there, I just make it a bit tighter. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty comfy. Rain's gone, sun's coming out. So I'll see you guys on the ledge after I smash this down. Yee-hoo! Alrighty, that there's your legal angelfish. What a beautiful fish that is. So I might eat him, we'll see. I might take him home, good pan size. Man, he pulled hard too. A couple of those. Not bad eating, to be honest. Quite good actually, so yeah. Maybe get a couple of these and we'll see how we go. Yeah, funny thing. Pretty sure I've just been calling them angelfish all day today. They're pretty sure they're called sweep, not angelfish. I don't know why they just remind me of an angelfish. But yeah, it's definitely, I think, a sweep is what they're called. Oh, it's getting cold. Okay lads, I've rigged up a huge chunk of sweep. Bit of fresh fish on there, and I found a rock as a sinker. Now we've had something take it before and broke the line, and we tried again and we're back on. So oh yeah, something big out there. Not sure what it is yet. We'll see if I can get it up to the surface. Doubt I'll get it through all those rocks though. On this light gear too. And I'm an idiot, just a bit of seaweed. Right, at least I didn't lose it. Oh, big chunk of seaweed. There's something pulling on that though, for sure. He probably ran into the grass, that's why I couldn't get him out. Oh yeah, there you go. I don't know if you can see that. Another one of those, and he ran into the grass, that's why. Man, he took a big chunk of sweep. Oh. I get a nice view of this nice hammock and the ocean in the background. How cool is that? So we're calling it, or I'm calling it. Sun's dropping, only got about half an hour daylight. Just gonna cook up nice warm noodles, keep me warm tonight. Will be a good cold one tonight. I'm lucky because I'm in like a what would you call it? Sort of like a indent in the cliffs, cave, blocking the winds, which is good. Yeah, I'm gonna do that and then pop straight in there and warm up a bit. I only had a bit of noodles, I still had heaps left, so what I'm gonna do, little technique, warm up a fair bit of it. There we go, that's over half, so I've got just enough for tomorrow's noodles and then a little drink on the way back, and that's perfect. The reason why I'll have a lot tonight, get a lot of that fluids in, and just to keep warm as well. It may be a lay in the hammock kind of night. Try and warm that up. Oh yeah, it looks rough. Needs a bit of weight in there. Hope I don't get thrown around too much in this thing. Oh well. Look at him. Going over me. Looking for snacks. And just like that, the trip have come to an end. Hammocks, everything's packed up. That bag is definitely a bit lighter. Don't have the kilo of burley, the 1 litre of water, food. So that's a plus always on the way back, is we've got less things to carry. So that's good. I'm gonna end the trip here because I've got a long hike all the way back to the car. It's pretty boring for you guys, I guess. For me, it's all right with nice scenery, but thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, come on, join the family. We're on our way up to 200. Come on, man, like the effort I'm putting in, just subscribe. It's free. Make it a count, it's free. If you like the video, thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yee-hoo!